Welcome to Information Processing 2080, Spreadsheet 2, Topic 5.3, Prepare Workbooks for Distribution. So if you are going to be distributing a workbook, sharing it at work, you have to decide, how am I going to distribute this? Do you want people to have the complete freedom to change anything and everything in it? Or do you want that freedom to be restricted? Do you want them to only be able to read it? Do you want them to be able to edit portions of it? If you only want them to be able to read it, then that's the easiest, most easily done. Say I put in my teacher account. When we're sharing, we comment or view. So a commenter is allowed to make notes, but they can't actually change the content. A viewer can see it and see it only. So often if we're collaborating in a group and the people in the group are not spreadsheet savvy, I'll just give them commenter access. So they can go, hey, this part is good, I don't like this part, but they can't actually edit it because then you can definitely get people tripping on each other's toes, especially if we have formulas that make reference to other formulas. We can also just copy the link if it's shared with everyone in the organization. You can also make anyone in the organization able to see it. So if I want to share something with all staff, I can make everyone viewers. They must have the link to access or they can find it in search results, commenter, viewer, editor, and copy that link to share this way. So we do have a couple of different options here. Make sure you have all the right sheet protections in place prior to doing your sharing. If you do your protections afterwards, then people can come in and change it before it's protected. So you might want to protect it to only you before we're doing it. So say we will add a sheet arrange and set that permission to only you by default. And then after it's shared, you can custom fit and say who can edit and who cannot. So for example, when I'm building the school report card spreadsheets, then say we need to have a grade 4 homeroom teacher have access to the entire spreadsheet so that they can print grade 4, but I might lock it down so they can only edit their own grades and not somebody else's.